Welcome back to Raching Cars, your go-to place for the hottest car reviews, insane mods, and all things auto. Today, we're diving into a beast that's been turning heads across Australia and beyond, the modern modified 2025 Ford Falcon UTE. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy reborn with cutting-edge upgrades, unmatched power, and a bold attitude. Starting under the hood, this UTE is packing a 5.0L supercharged Coyote V8, producing a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower. Tuned with precision, it's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers lightning-fast shifts and buttery-smooth acceleration. The ECU has been remapped, and a custom performance exhaust system has been fitted, giving it a deep, aggressive growl that commands attention. On the exterior, the body has been transformed with an aerodynamic wide-body kit, carbon fiber bonnet, and a custom front splitter. The LED headlights are fully redesigned for 2025, giving it a futuristic look while enhancing nighttime visibility. Sitting low on 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires, this UTE hugs the road with confidence and style. The rear sports a sleek roll bar, upgraded LED tail lights, and a sport diffuser for added performance flair. Inside, the cabin mixes luxury with rugged functionality. Leather and Alcantara seats come with red contrast stitching and heating features. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and now includes track performance metrics. The 12.9-inch infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even includes an off-road telemetry system. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures every drive is a concert on wheels. Suspension-wise, the UTE is fitted with adjustable COI levers for road or off-road tuning. Brembo brakes on all four corners provide serious stopping power, while the reinforced chassis and upgraded sway bars guarantee sharp handling even at high speeds. It's not just a showpiece, it's track-ready and built for serious performance. Whether you're chasing speed, style, or utility, the 2025 Ford Falcon UTE proves you can have it all. This modern take on an Aussie classic brings raw muscle and innovation together like never before. Thanks for watching Raching Cars. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane car builds, and let us know in the comments what car we should feature next. See you in the next video.